Namaskar everyone, welcome back to Current Gyan. So we have completed up to chapter number 5 of Nepal Parichay. So now today we are going to start a new chapter, that is social life and culture of Nepal. So let us begin this lecture. So these are the some faces of Nepal. So you can see different faces. So Nepal is one of the small countries on the basis of its area. Despite being small, our country is full of diversity. Geographically and ethnically, linguistic, religious, and cultural diversity can be clearly seen in the Nepal. Thus, Nepal is multi-ethnic, multi-lingual country. People from 125 ethnic communities live here, including the ethnic communities with a larger population like Kshetri, Brahmin, Magar, Tharu, Tamang, Newar, Musalman, Kami, Yadav, Rai, Gurung. They have their own language as a mother tongue. It has been said that Nepal is the country of four races and 66 classes. People following many religions live here. People following Hindu religion worship Durga, Shiva, etc. The floor of Buddhist religion worship the Lord Buddha, and the floor of Islam called their Lord Allah. The Christians go to the church to pray Christ. Peoples from the Kirat region worship Parung and Sugnima. Sumnima. Nepal is a rich country in the cultural, multilingual, multi-ethnic, multi-religious peoples have their own costumes and cultures. Family family consists of person society consists of families and societies form the nation. So people from their different religion, occupations, culture, language, costume, manners of living, festive etc. resides in the society and different activities occurs in the society accordingly. The political, religious, economic and cultural activities and the activities of the knowledge and science, literature, arts and entertainments give identity to the country. So let us talk about the ethnic diversity. Ne- the population of the people from different ethnicities residing in the Nepal according to the population census 2068 BS has been table in 6.1. So this is the caste ethnic population details of census 2000 national census of 2068 BS. So as you can see that Chatri consists of 16.6 percentage of total population of Nepal. Then comes Brahman with the population of percentage population of 12.18. Then comes Magar with the population percentage of 7.125. Then comes Tharu with percentage of 6.558. Then Tamang, Newar, Musalman with a percentage of 4.394. Kami, then Yadav with a percentage of 3.9498. Then Rai, Limbu, similarly you can see the percentage. Limbu with 1.4%, Thakuri with 1.6%, Sarki, Teli with 1.3, Kurmi with 0.18. Similarly, Sannyasi, Dammak, Musahar, Sherpa, Sonar, Kevat, Brahman, Tarai with 0.5, Katwania, Mullah, Kalwar with 0.4, Kumal with 0.5, Kanu with 0.4, Raj, Rajbansi, Sunwar, Sudhi, Lohar, Tatma with 0.396%, Katwe, Dhobi, Manjhi, Naini, Kamar, Danwa, Chepang, Rajput, and Badhai, Marwadi, and you can see here many more. So you can read all the percentage and the caste group. So you can read all these. So the total we have 130 30. So you can see here with 100% ethnicity, percentage of population distribution. So the enlist indigenous nationality of Nepal. Nepal Community of the Development of Indigenous Peoples have been formed in Asar 2054 with the purpose of uplifting the economical, social and political backward ethnic and indigenous people of Nepal. Indigenous nationality with a specific identity including the common geographic and language and their own religion and cultures and values make up their large population. National Foundation for the Development of Indigenous Nationalities NFDIN Act 2059 has identified 59 indigenous nationality and has legally recognized. So in table 2.6.2, the enlist of indigenous nationality of Nepal, according to the data census of 2011, based on the classification of enlisted indigenous nationalities. So this is a group of endangered group you can see, and this is an indigenous nationality, and this is in percentage. So Kusuda, Bankaria, Raut, Rural, Hayu, Raji, Kisan, Lepcha, Mechi, and these all are. And in the B, highly marginalized group are Maji, CR, Lovi, Pudam, Dhanku, Chepang, Satar, Thami, Jhagda, Bhote, Dhanuar, Baram. In the C category, we have a marginalized group. So you can see here these are the marginalized group, and you can just read. In the D group, we have disadvantaged group in which Kuru, Magar, Rai, Limbu, and these all came. Sherpa and these. In the E group, they are advanced group and which come Newari and Thakali. Other indigenous and backward group we have of this much. So in this indigenous nationality group, we can you can see and you can just go through this marginalized group, disadvantage, and this all are the. So with this, we'll end this lecture, and this in the next lecture we'll discuss about the settlement, manner, life, and costume of people living in the Nepal. So thank you for watching. Jai Nepal.